Stanford neuroscientists just discovered something that ancient mystics knew 5,000 years ago. When you breathe at exactly 3 breaths per minute, your brain waves drop into theta frequency. This is the same state where hypnotists plant suggestions that become permanent beliefs. Children absorb everything around them like sponges, and elite athletes visualize victories that become inevitable wins. Every single inhale and exhale sends electromagnetic signals to your brain, telling it whether you're safe to create or stuck in survival mode. Most people breathe 12 to 20 times per minute. That's like having your manifestation radio permanently tuned to static instead of success. Before we dive deeper into this life-changing technique, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. I share powerful manifestation secrets like this every week that can completely transform your reality. Let's understand why your current manifestation methods need this one missing piece. Imagine you're trying to charge your phone with a broken cable. The power is there, but it's not reaching your device. That's exactly what happens when you practice vision boards, affirmations, or gratitude journals while your body is stuck in stress mode. Your rushed, shallow breathing is like having your car's emergency brake on while trying to accelerate. Your nervous system keeps sending danger alerts to your subconscious mind. And your subconscious? It's like a cautious parent who won't let you go to the party because they think something bad might happen. It blocks every opportunity trying to reach you. Here's a simple way to understand it. Your breath is like the foundation of a house. If the foundation is shaky, it doesn't matter how beautiful the furniture is. The whole structure becomes unstable. When your breathing is calm and deep, it creates a solid foundation where your manifestation practices can actually build something lasting. Here's the game changer. You don't need to abandon your current manifestation practices. Instead, add this breathing technique as the foundation. Your affirmations become 10x more powerful when your nervous system is in creation mode instead of survival mode. Your visualizations penetrate deeper when your brain waves are in theta frequency. Your gratitude practice transforms from mental exercise to cellular reprogramming. The 3-breath manifestation code that changes everything. In 2024, researchers at Johns Hopkins made a breakthrough discovery. They found that when you breathe at exactly 3 breaths per minute for just 20 minutes, 3 biological miracles happen simultaneously. Miracle number 1, the fear center shut down. Your amygdala, that ancient alarm system that's kept you playing small, literally goes offline. It's like temporarily disconnecting your smoke detector while you cook your dreams into reality. Miracle number 2, the God gene activation. Scientists discovered that slow, deep breathing activates the VMAT2 gene, nicknamed the God gene. This floods your system with the same neurochemicals monks produce during profound spiritual experiences. Miracle number 3, the reality perception expansion. Your brain starts producing 400% more GABA, nature's Xanax, which expands your peripheral vision, both literally and metaphorically. Suddenly, you notice opportunities that were always there but invisible to your stressed-out tunnel vision. For centuries, Himalayan masters guarded a technique so powerful that wars were fought to possess it. They called it Pranayama 3, the divine breath that makes gods of mortals. Here's what they discovered. Your navel isn't just a belly button scar. It's your body's original power center, containing over 100 million neurons, more than your spinal cord. Ancient yogis called this the second brain, and modern science now confirms they were right. When you breathe into your navel at 3 breaths per minute, you're literally charging up your body's manifestation generator. It's like plugging your smartphone into a cosmic power bank. When you're breathing slowly and deeply, your brain enters what neuroscientists call flow state, the zone where time slows down and impossible becomes inevitable. The step-by-step reality hacking protocol. Phase 1, the nervous system reset, 5 minutes. Sit like a king or queen, spine straight, shoulders relaxed. This isn't just posture. You're creating a perfect antenna for cosmic downloads. Start with alternate nostril breathing to balance your brain hemispheres. Cover your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale through your left nostril for 20 seconds. This activates your receptive, intuitive side. Hold for 20 seconds. This is the divine pause, where your old reality dissolves. Exhale through your right nostril for 20 seconds, activating your creative, action-taking side. Do this 3 times. You've just hacked your nervous system into manifestation mode. Phase 2, the navel activation sequence, 10 minutes. Place both hands on your navel, your body's original power center. This is where you were first connected to life force energy in your mother's womb. Begin the 3-breath cycle. Inhale for 20 seconds, expanding your belly like a golden balloon. As you breathe in, imagine liquid light filling your navel center, spinning like a miniature sun. Hold for 20 seconds. This is when your cellular programming gets rewritten. Feel your desire not as something you want, but as something you're remembering. Your future self is sending energy backwards through time. Exhale for 20 seconds, but instead of releasing the energy, circulate it up your spine to your third eye. This creates an internal loop of manifestation energy. Phase 3, the reality lock-in, 5 minutes. On your final breath, place one hand on your heart, one on your navel. This connects your emotional center with your power center. As you inhale, whisper internally, "This or something better manifests now." As you hold, feel the absolute certainty of your desire's fulfillment, not hope, not belief, knowing. As you exhale, release all attachment to how it happens. You've placed your order with the universe. Now let it deliver. The 48-hour manifestation window. Here's why this works so fast. Your cells completely regenerate every 48 hours, and when you do this technique, you're literally breathing new instructions into your DNA. Within 24 hours, watch for sudden clarity about next steps, unexpected opportunities appearing, people mentioning exactly what you need to hear, and technology glitches that redirect you to better options. Within 48 hours, you'll notice physical sensations of energy moving through your body, vivid dreams showing your desires fulfilled, synchronicities so obvious they feel like cosmic winks, and an inner knowing that something fundamental has shifted in your reality. A 2023 study published in Nature Neuroscience revealed something extraordinary. When subjects practiced slow breathing at 3 breaths per minute, their brain waves synchronized with Earth's magnetic field frequency, 7.83 Hz, known as the Schumann resonance. This means you're literally tuning your consciousness to the planet's natural rhythm. You become a walking, breathing antenna for abundance. Dr. Herbert Benson at Harvard Medical School found that just 20 minutes of this breathing pattern changes gene expression more powerfully than antidepressants. You're not just changing your thoughts, you're rewriting your biology. Here's where it gets mind-bending. Quantum physicists have proven that consciousness affects reality at the subatomic level. When you breathe slowly and focus your intention, you create what scientists call quantum coherence. Your heart's electromagnetic field extends 8 feet around your body. During 3-breath manifestation, this field becomes 100 times more coherent, creating a localized reality bubble where your desires have higher probability of manifesting. Think of it like this. Normal breathing makes you a 20-watt light bulb. 3-breath manifestation turns you into a focused laser beam that can cut through the fabric of what's possible. Your 48-hour challenge. Tonight, commit to this practice for just 48 hours. Set 3 alarms, 6 a.m., 2 p.m., and 10 p.m. Each session takes only 20 minutes. Document everything. Take a photo of yourself before you start. Write down your current reality. Rate your energy level from 1 to 10. After 48 hours, compare. Most people report clearer thinking and decision-making, unexpected money or opportunities appearing, improved relationships and communication, physical sensations of increased life force energy. Tibetan texts warn that this technique is so powerful it can completely transform your life within a lunar cycle, 28 days. So only practice if you're ready for your entire reality to shift. Some people experience what mystics call spiritual growing pains, old relationships ending, new opportunities overwhelming you, or your life changing faster than you can process. This isn't a side effect. It's your old reality cracking open to make space for your new one. Your breath has been waiting your entire life for you to discover its power. Every inhale is a chance to choose your reality. Every exhale is a chance to release what no longer serves you. The ancient masters knew something modern science is just rediscovering. You don't attract what you want, you become what you are. And what you are is determined by how you breathe. So here's my question for you. If you could breathe your dream life into existence in just 48 hours, what would you choose? The universe is holding its breath, waiting for your answer. Comment "activated" below if you're ready to begin. Then, close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths into your navel, and feel your new reality starting to breathe itself into existence. Your future self is already thanking you.